everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Apple Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about emotions. Unlike the other two that I've already uploaded on YouTube, this one is all about angry emotions. So let's go ahead and, as always, get started with Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. Circles round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, let's go again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. The circles round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, so our first song that has to do with emotions is How Are You Feeling? Okay, so sing along. Tell me how you're feeling today. So here we go. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling today? If you're feeling mad, stomp your feet. If you're feeling sad, let tears leak. If you're feeling glad, smile all week. Okay, let's go again. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling today? If you're feeling mad, stomp your feet. If you're feeling sad, let tears leak. If you're feeling glad, smile all week. Okay. So our first book today is the Feelings book. And I know I said today this is about anger, but I want to start off with a book that talks about all those different feelings. See, if you look at this front, see, this person looks really happy. This person looks really sad. I think this person might be scared. This person's really angry. Sometimes I feel silly. Sometimes I feel cranky. Sometimes I feel scared. It's like the mouse and the kitty cat. Sometimes I feel like standing on my head. Sometimes I feel like reading a book under the covers. Sometimes I feel like celebrating my birthday, even though it's not today. Sometimes I feel brave. Sometimes I feel like looking out the window all day. Sometimes I feel like dancing. Sometimes I feel like making mud pies. Sometimes I feel like I have a tummy ache. Sometimes I feel like holding hands with a friend. Sometimes I feel lonely. Sometimes I feel like yelling really loud. Sometimes I feel like staying in the bathtub all day. Sometimes I feel like trying something new. Sometimes I feel like dressing up. Sometimes I feel like doing nothing. Sometimes I feel like camping with my dog. Sometimes I feel like crying. Sometimes I feel like eating pizza for breakfast. Sometimes I feel like kissing a sea lion. Sometimes I feel like a king. No matter how you feel, don't keep your feelings to yourself. Share them with someone you love. Okay, there's so many different feelings, aren't there? So, I want to show you guys the craft, but I accidentally left it over there. Just a moment. Sorry about that. So this is the craft this week, and it's just like the feelings book. Have all the different feelings. So you have the grid, and you're going to match the feeling to the word. So see, you have all the different feelings here. Angry, bored, happy, sad, and scared. And I know I just said all the feelings, but there's a lot more feelings than that, but this is a good place to get you started. So you put the clip wear how you feel today. And today I feel happy. So I'm going to leave it right there. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and do a poem. This poem, of course, is called Feelings. So here we go. I am very mad when I break a toy. I am very sad when the fun ends. I am very glad when I see my friends. I have so many different feelings. Okay, let's go again. How about you try to act it out with me, okay? I am very mad when I break a toy. I am very sad when the fun ends. I am very glad when I see my friends. I have so many different feelings. Okay, so now our second book is called When Sophie Gets Angry. Really, really angry. You ever get angry? What do you get angry about? Sophie was busy playing when her sister grabbed Gorilla. My turn. No, no, said Sophie. Yes, said her mother. It is her turn now, Sophie. As her sister snatched Gorilla away, Sophie fell over the truck. No. Oh, is Sophie ever angry now? She kicks, she screams, she wants to smash the world to smithereens. She roars a red, red roar. Sophie is a volcano, ready to explode. And when Sophie gets angry, really, really angry, bam! She runs. She runs and runs and runs until she can't run anymore. Then, for a little while, she cries. Now she sees the rocks, the trees and ferns. She hears a bird. Tweet. She comes to the old beech tree. She climbs. She feels the breeze blow her hair. She watches the water and the waves. The wide world comforts her. Sophie feels better now. She climbs back down and heads for home. I'm home. The house is warm and smells good. Everyone is glad that she's home. Everything's back together again. And Sophie isn't angry anymore. What do you do when you get angry? Do you run like Sophie does? Or do you just get angrier and angrier? When I was a kid, I was like Sophie. I would run away. But sometimes it's good when you're angry just to stay and to talk it out with somebody you care about. Because a lot of times I found when I'm angry that I'm not really angry, I'm just sad or disappointed. So I just need to talk about it to somebody and then I feel a lot better. So our last song is called Feelings and Emotions. What do you do when you're happy? When I'm happy, I laugh. When I'm happy, 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 I laugh, 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 laugh. Ha, 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 ha. What do you do when you're sad? When I'm sad, I cry. When I'm sad, 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 I cry, 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 cry. Boo hoo 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 hoo. What do you do when you're angry? When I'm angry, 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 I stomp my feet, stomp my feet, stomp, 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 stomp. Okay, let's go again. What do you do when you're happy? When I'm happy, I laugh. When I'm happy, 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 I laugh, 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 ha, 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 ha. What do you do when you're sad? When I'm sad, I cry. When I'm sad, 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 I cry, 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 boo. What do you do when you're angry? When I'm angry, I stomp my feet. When I'm angry, 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 I stomp my feet. Stomp my feet. Stomp, 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 stomp. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for this story time. And I really hope to see you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.